Melbourne's Inner East. A tapestry of quiet streets, each a unique timeline of architectural styles. One such street is Yarrbat Avenue, Baldwin. Here, amidst the established homes and the whisper of history, stands a residence that's both a respectful neighbor and a bold statement. This is the story of the Yarrbat Residence, a symphony of light, landscape, and a family's desire to connect. The brief for this home was as unique as its location. Nestled on a hillside, it offered breathtaking views of the Dandenong Ranges. But it was more than just a scenic vista. This was a multi-generational home, designed to accommodate a family and their grandparents, each with their own needs for privacy and shared space. The architects, K2LD, embraced this challenge. From the street, the house exudes a sense of quiet confidence. Narrow windows and timber screens provide a peek into the verdant surroundings, while the upper floor, clad in spotted gum, reflects the warmth of local materials. The bluestone base adds a touch of solidity, grounding the house in the landscape. But step inside, and the home transforms. Natural light floods the interiors, streaming through strategically placed windows and expansive skylights. Timber and stone surfaces echo the ever-changing landscape outside, creating a seamless connection between architecture and nature. A neutral palette throughout serves as a canvas, allowing the vibrant tapestry of the changing seasons to take center stage. Each year, the home transforms, the framed views becoming a living artwork. The heart of the home is a stunning green stone column that connects all three floors. It's a commanding presence, yet softened by the floating staircase that wraps around it. As you move through the house, you experience an intimate connection with this natural material. Descending to the basement, we enter a world dedicated to another family passion: cars. The all-white garage with its wash station is a celebration of their prized collection, a pristine backdrop for automotive beauty. The success of the Yarrbat Residence lies in its subtle yet heroic gestures. It respects the history of the street while carving its own path. It provides a haven for a family, fostering connection while celebrating individuality. This is more than just a house. It's a testament to thoughtful design, a canvas for family life, and a place where light, landscape, and love intertwine. The Yarrbat Residence, a contemporary masterpiece nestled in the heart of Melbourne's inner east. A story of light, of family, and of a home that lives and breathes with the seasons. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Yarrbat Residence.